Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're ready to add AI text-to-speech in Capcut. First, open the app and load your project. Once loaded, import the clip where the voice will sit and keep your script text in a note so you can copy it quickly. Make sure you've chosen the language and rough voice style before creating the track. This saves time. Now tap the audio or text tool and locate the text-to-speech option. You're about to convert words into a TTS layer. Paste your prepared script into Capcut's text-to-speech field and pick a voice. Once selected, tweak speed and pitch so the delivery matches your visuals, faster for energetic clips, slower for instructions. Hit preview, listen for mispronunciations or timing issues, and edit the text or use phonetic tweaks where needed. Then generate the final audio track. Once done, drag the TTS layer onto the timeline, and use split and trim to align phrases with specific cuts or on-screen. Finalize by balancing the TTS volume against music and effects, lower background audio, and add gentle fades for natural starts and ends. Export a short test to confirm sync and clarity before rendering full quality. If a line sounds off, edit the text, spell phonetically or change the voice, and regenerate just that segment instead of redoing everything. If timing drifts, nudge the clip on the timeline or split and reposition phrases. These quick fixes solve most problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.